to take either the thick cardboard or the thick sheet so that you can create your own tiles pattern. If you don't have cardboard, take the thick sheet and create the tiles pattern. Is there any child who has created a tiles pattern? Is there any child who can show me in the live class? Please raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand so that I can give you a chance. Is there any child who has created a tiles pattern? No one? Yes or no? No. So children, again, I'll tell you, you try this activity. When you practically try this activity, it will help you. Please turn on your camera. Gunav Gura, Trisha, Priya. I'm not teaching your icons. Dhyan Dalal, please turn on your camera. Everyone, please sit with their camera on. Jahan Agarwal, turn on your camera. I will also teach you with the camera off. Will it be fine with you all? Anya Mittal, Dhairya. Children, don't think my name is not being called, so I am liberal to switch off the camera and sit behind the camera. Please switch on your camera. Don't think ma'am is not my calling. Jahan Agarwal, sit properly. This is maths class, not relaxed class. Anya Mittal, sit properly. Anya Mittal, turn on your camera, please. 5 to 10 minutes, every day I just announce the turn on your camera and sit in the class. I think now you are in grade 5. You should have your responsibility. Am I clear?
See my new result.
Yes. So good morning, everyone. Now I'm going to start the revision of today's. As you all know that we have completed the chapter, right? We have completed the chapter number 3, how many squares. So on Monday, please note, on Monday you have your CET of this chapter. I have already posted. You will get it after your class, one revision worksheet as well as the date when you have your CET. Got it, everyone? Show me thumbs up, yes or no. Thank you. So children, there is one question which is there in the textbook. First, I want to discuss there, which is related to the tiles pattern. We need to find out the area of that tiles. It is on page number 49. So I request you, everyone, please open page number 49 of your textbook. Vivan Balchandani, Gurav Gura, don't think ma'am is noticing only one time and then you again turn off your mics. Are you playing with your mics, cameras, my dear? Daria, please turn on your camera, please. Are you all playing with your camera? That sometime you keep off, sometime you keep on. I'm going to present my screen. You need to please open that page in your textbooks.
Ma'am, page number 49 or page number 50?
49. 50 the another chapter. So you need to open the page number 49. Is this is there on your textbooks, this page? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a tile pattern created by this one single tile, this type of style with a square piece of paper and whose length and breadth is 3 into 3. So what will be the area of this square paper? Whether हम उसको फिर इस तरीके से काट लेंगे, then also the area will be same. What will be? Who is saying 6? That child, please leave my class. 3 into 3 I am saying. I am not saying 3 plus 3. You know that area is, yes, Arna Agarwal, you should be till now, you should be confident what is 3 length into breadth. I always notice you children make confusion and make confusion for yourself also. If it is area of a square, then side multiply by side. 3 multiply by 3, what will be the area? Tell me now.
9.
Yes. 9. If you say 6, then please immediately leave the class.
9.
Yes. By this time, you should be very much confident of what we are doing. 9. Now, after the area of this square 9, he has created one pattern He has created one tile and then he has created this big pattern with the one tile. And means same size of tile. Always remember when you are creating a tiling pattern, the arrangement of tiles when you are doing, the tile should be of same size. ये नहीं एक छोटी एक बड़ी, right? Then only the proper pattern and the proper area will be created. So here is the one tile, here is the another tile. So how many tiles you can see in one, this one, in one box, in one here pattern, when you see here, how many tiles of that created? Can you guess and
Four.
tell me? Four.
Four
Very
tiles
good.
together.
Four tiles together created this pattern. One. So can you tell me what will be the area of total this? If you know the area of one is, so how many total tiles are being made here? Can you count and tell me?
Ma'am, 12 square centimeters.
12.
See here, 4. I am talking about the entire patterns area. 4 in this, 4 again in this, 4 again in this, 4 again in this. How many?
So, ma'am, if in
12.
one tile multiplied by 4, so one tile's area is equal to 9. So 9 multiplied by 4 should be 36. So 1 is
36.
36 and 36 multiplied by 12 is the answer.
Okay. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? Can you find out? 36 multiplied by 12?
Okay, ma'am. 36 multiplied by 12 is
Find out and tell me.
432.
Can we check the answer is coming this? Yes.
108, ma'am.
Samriddhi, you please learn multiplication also. 36 multiplied by 12 is 108. How come? You are doing 12 times 36. So children, the answer is 432 centimeter squares. And how many tiles are used here? 4 in one box, and there are 12. 12 multiplied by 4 is? 12 multiplied by 4 is how many tiles?
48. 48.
See,
48.
4 tiles are used to make this one pattern. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. So there are 12. 12 multiplied by 4 is 48 tiles made to use this pattern. Got it? Now see, as I told you, you can create your own tile and your own pattern. That asks you this way also you can create your own patterns and designs. Please do and show me tomorrow. Clear? This way also you can create a pattern, tile pattern. And in triangle shape also you can create a triangle pattern. Any tile pattern you can create and show me tomorrow. Whether on the paper, thick paper, or on the cardboard, whichever. Got it? Yes or no? Okay. Now open your notebooks, everyone. Open your math notebooks. And the sums which we are going to do, please do it in your notebooks. Okay, this is visible to you all? Yes or no? Because when I present the screen, I'm not able to see you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush,
Yes,
Singhania
ma'am.
will tell me, Ayush, what you can see on my screen? Ayush, what you can see on my screen?
Ma'am, on your screen is Google form, I think.
But which diagram you can see? There is a 12 centimeter length, 4 centimeter length is there.
Yes, ma'am. It's there.
Samriddhi, you can see easily. Yes or no? Yes, be active in the class. We are not on the sleeping mode in the class. We are active. Draw this diagram in your notebooks.
Okay.
And tell me the missing lengths. And after finding the missing lengths, tell me the perimeter of this. Because this is the same Google form questions which I have already sent to you all. But I have seen many mistakes. Many of you have done the wrong. things. So please do this. Find out the missing length.
Ma'am, we have
and
to
tell
draw
me.
this in Ma'am, can I tell?
No, I will call the child name. That child will tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do we have to draw this in our notebook?
Yes, draw this and find the perimeter and the length. Don't ask again and again the same thing. Everyone, it is compulsory for everyone to find out. Ekansh, please draw and find out the missing lengths. I will call the child name now. That child will answer me. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will call your names. I'm not directly asking the perimeter, Rudra. First, I need the lengths. Wait a minute. Jahan Agarwal.
Yes,
Jahan
ma'am.
Agarwal, you are there in the class? Yeah. Jahan Agarwal, can you tell me what will be the missing length of this? 8?
12.
Okay. Can you please explain how 12?
Because ahead the 16, it is 4. So 4 minus 16 is 12.
Excellent. So this is the figure I'm showing you on the board also. This is the figure given to you all. This is 12. Please mute your mic, Samriddhi. 4 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and this is 16 centimeter. He told this is the length is 12 centimeter. He is correct. Now, Samriddhi, next missing length. Faster.
Ma'am, it's wait a minute, ma'am. 16, 12, ma'am.
Samriddhi, please see to it properly.
Sorry.
It will come from the opposite length, which is 20. The entire length is 20.
Ma'am?
20.
Ma'am, I can't find my match notebook.
Then you do it any of the notebook and find the answers.
Ma'am, 8.
Okay.
Yes, 8. How 8, Samriddhi? Can you explain us?
Yeah, ma'am, because 20
Ayush, do it in any notebook.
minus
Can I do it
12.
on the paper?
Do you don't have any paper also?
I have a paper. I can do it in a paper.
Yes, do. Yes, 20.
20 minus 12 is equals to 8.
Yes. Are you all clear in this? How to find out the missing? Yes, now Ekansh will tell me perimeter. Ekansh, tell me how to find the perimeter of this.
Ma'am, justice. Ma'am, 2 multiplied by length
No,
plus breadth.
this, my dear, this is the perimeter of the irregular shape. Where is the length and breadth? You will find out.
Oh.
Can you see on the screen? It is the length.
Yes, ma'am, I am counting.
Perimeter is the outer boundary. Add them. Just add them. "12 centimeter plus 16 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. Find the answer of this.
I think so. It's 84 centimeter.
12 plus
72.
16 plus 20 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4. 72 centimeter. Don't believe on I think. Give the confident answer. In your exam, you
72.
cannot guess that it will be 60 or this. It is 72 centimeter. जब आप simply plus करके answer निकाल सकते हैं, then why you are guessing it that I think so? Why you using this word I think so? You need to add it properly. Got it, Ekansh?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you don't write centimeter or the meter unit, your answer will be completely wrong.
Good morning, ma'am.
You are joining now. Welcome. It's already 15 minutes have passed. Now do the next question. I'm going to present it. It's based on the same. See, the unit here is millimeter. Now next child will answer me. I will call the child name. Wait a minute. Lakshya Takral. Lakshya Takral. Find the length of missing length which is opposite to the 6 millimeter. Lakshya Takral, please find the length. Can you hear me, Lakshya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you find the missing length which is given just opposite through the 6 millimeter?
Ma'am, it is 8 millimeter.
See on my board, Lakshya. My board is visible?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. No, let me ask from Lakshya only.
Ma'am, it is 8 millimeter.
See how it is 8 millimeter, Lakshya. 6 millimeter is given here. And the entire length is...
भाई शादी में कपड़े उतार दो सारे.
Please mute your mic, someone. From here to here, it is 14. Then from here to here, it is 16. 6, sorry. So what will be the opposite length? I will call one more time. Wait a minute. Rudra Jazadia, if you write only 20, answer will be wrong. Priya, can you give me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me the what will be the length of this side? Don't write in the chat box. Give me answer.
Ma'am, the below one, right?
Yes, yes. Opposite to the 6.
Millimeter.
Yes?
20 millimeter.
Okay, very good. 20 millimeter, because from here to here it is already given the 14 and then next is given 6. So the complete is 20 millimeter. Are you all okay with it? Got it? How to get
Yes,
the answer?
ma'am.
Next
Yes,
answer will be given by
Ma'am,
Twisha. And
I'm
then
6
I will ask.
millimeter.
Let me ask from Twisha. Twisha says 6. Very good, Twisha. And 15 is there total entire and 9 is already given. 15 minus 9 is 6 millimeter. Now find the perimeter, students. Now Karnav will tell me the perimeter of this figure. Karnav, after getting the lens, that this is 20 millimeter and this is 6 millimeter. Now tell me the entire perimeter.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
6 millimeter and the 20 millimeter. Now tell me the full perimeter of this figure. Karnav only will tell me. 15 plus 6 plus 9 plus 14 plus...
Ma'am, it is 44.
Again, do it again. Do it again. 15 plus 6 plus 9 plus 14 plus 6 plus 20. Because you need to plus that also 6 or 20 जो अभी निकले हैं. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 44.
No, wrong. Karnav, should I come to your home and teach you the addition also now from the beginning? Karnav, add all the sides.
Okay,
Length
ma'am.
of all the sides. 4 are given to you. 2 you have calculated.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are 6 sides now. Add them. And children, those who are writing without unit, their answer is wrong. I will put a big cross on
Ma'am,
it now.
ma'am, it is 70 millimeter.
70 millimeter. Who gave me this answer?
Ma'am, Karnav Patel.
Okay, thank you. Got it now how to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now, wait a minute. See, children, this is which figure? This is which figure?
Ma'am, it's not common. It's going and coming, going and coming.
It's an
Samriti,
irregular figure.
it is your
Ma'am, it's the
network
irregular
problem. It is an irregular figure. In this irregular figure, how we will find the area?
And by counting half squares and full squares.
Okay. Now that child will tell me. Wait, let me call the name of the child. Migdad. Migdad.
Yes, ma'am.
Migdad, I will present my screen and show you. Can you please tell me how many full squares are in this?
Yes, ma'am. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12.
Count again. I am putting my cursor on it. Can you please count step by step? 1, then
2,
then
14.
then
4,
then
5,
Migdad is not counting while Rudra is counting. Then
6,
then
7,
then
8,
then
9,
then
10,
10, 11, 12,
11,
13, 14. How many full squares are in this?
16.
15. You can count this also. This will come also in the full. How many full squares? Children, how many full squares? I want the big answer from everyone. Anya Mittal, how many full squares we have counted?
15.
15, not 16. How many?
15.
15.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, when we will find any area, so we will plus the full squares and half squares also, na?
We will take the full squares and the half squares converted into the full. Got it? Samriddhi?
Ma'am,
Wait a minute. Samriddhi, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am, I can hear you.
First of all, you need to count the full squares. Okay. After counting the full squares, count the half squares. Got it? After counting the half squares, convert the half squares into the full. I'm going to stop the presentation. I will draw a diagram here and you will see accordingly. See.
ma'am,
Tell me.
So, ma'am, I can draw the diagram in my screen.
No, just see here. Can you all see the diagram which is there on my board?
Yes, ma'am.
How we
Yes, ma'am.
count, how we find the area of this type of figures. First of all, we will count the full squares. No, ma'am, in between. Look here on the board. First of all, we will count the full squares on this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 full squares are in this. And how many halves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 half squares are there. Mute your mic, Samriddhi.
Ma'am,
13. Yes, tell
And
me.
there are even some of over
Yes,
here.
13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Yes, Samriddhi, now tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Now, in ma'am, ninth one, some square is half.
We can consider it because वो इतना जा रहा है, so we can consider it as full.
Okay.
Please remember, in this your answer will come approximately, not exactly नहीं आएगा. Approximately आएगा. Suppose my answer is coming 21, your answer is coming 22, and someone answer is coming 20. So all three answers are right. 20, 21, 22. But if exact answer is 20 and your answer is coming 25, then it will be completely wrong. Answer will come approximately nearby. मिलता जुलता आंसर आना चाहिए सबका. For example, someone answer is coming 14, other child answer is coming 15. And the other child answer is coming 13. So 13, 14, 15, all the three answers are right. But if you do 16 and 18, then your answer will be wrong. Clear? So 9 full squares and how many we have counted? 18 half squares or 16 half squares?
14.
16 we have counted. So 16 divided by 2 you will do to convert it into the full. Then it will be 8 full squares. So 8 full squares this and the 9 full squares, you will add them, you will get 17 full squares. So the answer is 17 square centimeter or the meter, whichever the unit is used. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Any confusion in this?
No.
Please remember, you need to convert the halves into the full. Got it?
Yes.
Go to the next revision.
Ma'am, we also have to write the area because we have to make for the area we have to make the grid and then we have to draw it.
This is the area only.
So we don't have to draw it in our notebook, right?
No, don't draw, just for the understanding I have done. I want to show you now one more example on the basis of this triangle. How to find the area of a triangle from the given rectangle. Can you all see this figure? Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, please, I will give you 2 minutes time to find the area of the rectangle in this, and then I will ask from you the question. And please, when you are doing this type of question, do step by step. Area of a rectangle is this, and then the area of a triangle is this. Please do it in your notebook. I am giving you 2-3 minutes, then I will call your name and ask.
Ma'am, I can draw it in graph book.
Wherever you want to draw. Please draw it fast. Count the number of squares when you are drawing properly the way it is given in the textbook, showing here on the screen. And if you're not drawing also, just can you do the method also?
Yes.
You can do the solution also if you're not drawing. Drawing will take little time, so better you do the method. Proper method I want.
Ma'am, I had got the rectangles area.
Ma'am, I have got the rectangle area.
Who is saying? Kevna will tell me the answer.
We have got the area of the triangle.
Okay. Can Kevna tell me the area of the rectangle?
Ma'am, 5 minutes. Ma'am, can I say?
Who is
Can I
this?
write in the chat box?
Who is saying, can I say the girl?
Ma'am,
See?
Tell me the name.
I'm Khush.
Ayush.
Okay.
Ayush.
Kush will tell me. No, Ayush, wait. Kush, can you tell me the area of a rectangle?
91 square
91.
centimeter. Yes, ma'am.
Just please count.
Ma'am, may I, Rudra?
No. I want new children. I want new students try this. Kevna, Anya Mittal, please try this. Anya Mittal, have you tried already?
Ma'am, can I write in the chat box?
30.
No, don't write in the chat box. Anya, will you tell me the area of the rectangle in this? I'm not asking the area of the full rectangle. Yes. Just tell me, Anya.
33.
How? You are telling the area of triangle or the rectangle?
Triangle.
I am asking the area of the rectangle. Kevna, have you completed? My dear, I need to give chance to other students also. Be little fast. Kevna, have you done this? I'm asking again. I am requesting you to please try it. Have you done this?
Ma'am, I'm trying it. I'm trying to find the answer.
Try, please. It is very easy. जो बाहर एक इसके बाहर आपको एक रेक्टेंगल बना देना है बॉर्डर्स पे.
92.
No.
Samriddhi will say
Yes, Samriddhi, you say.
24 square centimeter.
No. Who will try?
93.
No. Ayush,
Ayush.
tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the area of the rectangle should be 66.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am, it is 66.
That-
11 multiplied by 6 is equal to 66.
Yes.
Triangle 33 square centimeter.
Yes. Area of the rectangle is, because when you start from here, 1, 2, 3. Can you all see my cursor? I'm moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You will stop here. You will not go beyond that, because when you come down, it should be complete rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11 into 6 is 66 square. And when you got the rectangle area, the half of the rectangle is the area of the triangle, which is 33 square centimeter. Got it, everyone? Mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Samriddhi, mute yourself.
33 square centimeter.
33 square centimeter area is okay. Got it, everyone? Anya, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Kevna,
found
you
triangle one.
don't understood the triangle one.
I'm just counting the triangle one.
If we have learned the another method of counting the internal squares is okay. Okay, that also the one method. But we have learned another method of finding the area, no? So you should apply that also, Anya. Okay. Now, next figure. Can you see this figure now? Anya, this is for you now. You try this. Very, very interesting. They are very simple. Anya, try this. Very simple. It's too simple. Too easy.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, got the triangle.
Who is saying, can I tell Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Anna, wait, let Anya, Khevna, these students try.
We have to say triangle or rectangle.
Rectangle. First of all, you tell me the area of the rectangle.
Ma'am, 16.
Who said 16?
Kevna.
Yes, 16 is the area of rectangle. So, Anya, can you try to find out the area of a triangle?
Okay.
If 16 you already got, what you will do to find the area of a triangle? Okay, Anya, which method you are applying? So long method. Which method you are applying? Khevna already told the area of the rectangle is 16 and the triangle is just half of the rectangle.
Ma'am, answer is
Wait. When you see the figure, Anya, when you, yes, 8. डरो नहीं. Don't get afraid of the mathematics. सब कुछ वही है. You will get everything in that figure only. As Khevna already given you, the complete area of the rectangle is 16. And if you see the figure, the triangle is just half of the rectangle, है ना? बीच में से बना हुआ है कि नहीं? So when do just half of the, divide 16 by 2, it is 8 square centimeter. Because it's area. Now move to the next. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ask. Children, you will get the worksheet, revision worksheet today after the class. I will draw here one figure. Yes, Trisha, continue your doubt.
Ma'am, it's about page number 40.
Wait a minute then. Suppose the one square is 1 centimeter area. So can you, how many, what is the area of the entire figure? What is the area of this entire figure? Write it in the chat box fast. Yes, tell me. You were asking the query related to the page number 40. Yes. Children, tell me fast. What will be the area of this figure? You all are sitting in the class just. Samriti will try. What is the area?
6 square centimeter.
What is the area, Samriti? Mic is off.
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Finding what you need to find. Just look here.
6 square centimeter.
It is very easy. Look at the figure. Find the area.
Ma'am, 6 square centimeter.
How 6 is square? Just ask, listening the others answer. How 6? Tell me. Proof it.
Ma'am, I had counted the boxes.
Yes, internal squares, not boxes. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Yes, Trisha. Thank you, children, for today's class. I will send the worksheet, based revision worksheet.
In page number 40,
And on
there is a
Monday,
big figure.
you have a CET on Monday.